Alright guys and gals, so listen, one of our subscribers just asked me what I do to maintain and condition and straighten and flatten my beard. Basically, what is my protocol for my beard? I'm going to take my shirt off. So now we can pretend like I literally just got out of the shower. Okay. When I'm in the shower, I condition and shampoo my beard twice. But after I've showered, shampooed, and conditioned my beard, I will take my comb. I've got a little comb here, a little beard comb, and I'll just comb it through my beard, just real quick. Flatten it out a little bit, okay? So get a little comb for yourself. Then I use this Viking Shield Heat Protectant Spray, and really all this is just like a lubricant so that your hair doesn't burn under the heat of the straightener that I use, which is the Carbon X. Now, I will spray this stuff in here. I have a cowlick, which is like a pain in the ass. That's this thing. This cowlick sticks out all the time. Nothing on this side, but just spray the crap out of it. It's like a tea tree oil. Smells kind of nice, but I don't like spraying things on my skin after my shower. Then I heat up my Carbon X and I just straighten out my cowlick first here. Just a light straighten. Hear that sucker sizzle? Straighten down this way. Get that cowlick again a little more. Now I'm going to come in from underneath. Just pull this out here. Probably using the wrong lens on the camera for this, guys, because it's having a hard time focusing on my face. Sorry. I'm using a portrait lens because I like the cinematic qualities. But just getting under here. So, like, I'm trying to get this hair out because that's what makes the beard look fuller. Now, my hair does get pretty wavy after my shower. So, some guys actually really like their beard very straight. I don't like mine, like, completely straight. I like mine to have a little bit of body to it, like a little bit of, texture. A little wave, a little wisp at the end. You know what I mean? Just comb through it, guys. Enjoy the process, especially if you're bald like me and don't have any hair to comb through. Just appreciate the process. I like to get that chin pretty long. Guys, hold on. I'm going to set this thing to manual focus. This is ridiculous. All right, that should be better. Hopefully that will get you a good focus in on the beard. As you can see, it's now starting to straighten out more. And you can see my cowlick is laying down a little more flat. But unfortunately, this mother effer pain in the ass doesn't ever sit completely flat. Okay, so the beard iron is doing its job, straightening out the hair. But like I said, I don't like mine completely straight. So, whereas I think a lot of other guys sit here and flatten the hair out perfectly straight and like make it like stick out, I don't really like that look. For me, at least. It's just not my thing. So now that I've straightened it most of the way, I like it at this point. So I will turn this off. And I will take my comb it out a little bit. And here's my favorite part, because this is what makes your beard so appealing to your significant other. They are going to want to lick your face all damn day. It's called Arlo's Beard Oil. And this is a coconut oil based oil. But, dude, it smells so good I could like lick this shit up, man. Alright. So we just get some of this in here, condition it, but it softens the hair. See, look at my fucking cowlick, man. This thing pisses me off, man. It drives me crazy. So I usually play with this shit throughout the day, try to get it to sit more flat, and then I kind of wisp the ends of my beard like this. Fluff it out a little bit, fluff it out a little bit. Comb it some more. Bring it in. You know what I mean, guys? Like, and depending on how you like your beard to look finished, you could leave it like this, or you could puff it out this way, or you can make it zoop. I don't really trim mine. Like, I don't want mine perfectly clean. I like my beard to look a little more rustic. I'm kind of a rustic guy, but I clean up well. So get some more oil up in there. This damn cowlick. Sometimes I have to use a little pomade, a little bit of pomade here on the cowlick to keep it flat. But this side of my beard is also thicker and fuller than this side of my beard, so it's not completely uniform. But that's pretty much it, guys. That's my beard process. That's it. I'm done. I'm ready. It's like 5 minutes later, although making the video is probably 10 minutes. But it's not a huge process. It's not a big ordeal. It just takes me a couple minutes in the morning. I do need to trim my mustache up. I usually do like my mustache to be short. I like it to be clean. And I like my lips to show. I don't like when my mustache covers my lips. And neither does my lady friend. Soft lips, guys. Soft lips. Come on. Like, wake up, guys. Your lady friend will appreciate and enjoy your beard more if you have soft lips. Soft lips. But there it is. I got to clean up the mustache a little bit. There's the finished product. What do you think? And you got a little leftover lotion oil for your hands. I'm going to pull out this guy who asked our question so we can thank him for his question. So we can say, what's up? Oh, wrong channel. My YouTube was on the wrong channel. It's on my other channel. If you have not been to my other channel, guys, go visit it. Search The New Woodworker. But the channel is under my name, Adam A. Neely, but you have to search The New Woodworker to find it, okay? Because that's what I used to be called. So, guys and gals, we want to thank... a lot of comments since him. Huh? Okay. Here he is. Great. Okay. Oh, geez, of course. Sorry, bro. I'm going to butcher your name. But we want to thank Binyam Gebreselassie. I think that was pretty easy. Binyam Gebreselassie. We want to thank Binyam. I hope I'm saying your name right, brother, because I appreciate the question. I appreciate the inquiry. He says, bro, how do you make your beard lay so straight? I said, thanks. I use a beard straightener called the Carbon X, and I condition and oil it. I'll make a video on my process if you want. And he said, yeah, that would be great. And then I said, okay, I'll make one for you. And he says, do you do it every day? Will there be a problem to the skin underneath or the beard itself if one uses beard straightener every day? I said, no, I haven't had any issues. Here's your video, Binyam. I hope you enjoyed it, brother. I hope you enjoy the rest of the videos. Stay tuned. There's lots to come. All right, Coach Hardgains out. Wait. Boobies. Pop. Boobies. Embarrassing.